Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my social media planner, and it is for the week of April 12th through the 18th. I am so excited. So here we go. Okay. I am going to be using the floral sticker book. I think that book is pretty awesome. I haven't opened it in quite a while, so I decided to go ahead and use this for this week's spread. I have been keeping my planners quite simple lately, and I really enjoy doing it that way. And while I am flipping through the book, I just wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much and thank you for coming back. And if you are new and stumbled upon my channel for the first time, welcome. I'm so happy you found me. And I hope you like it here. Okay, so let's go ahead and pick some flowers to put down on this page. I kind of want them to be more pastel-y than this, so let's maybe go back a page. These are nice, and so are these. Look at these. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab these like pink, dark pink ones or darker pinker ones with outlines, and start with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that big one over the focus, and because these are paper, I don't necessarily need to white out the focus, but I will anyway because it seems like a corner might be peeking out. The bottom portion doesn't need to be as exact, but see what I mean? Like a little corner is peeking out. I do need the top area to be available, so I don't want to cover too much. And then I'm gonna make my own kind of arrangement type of thing, and I'm gonna give this beautiful floral a leaf. I'm going to grab the other ones as well, so here we go. I really don't use this focus area for much, so I'm okay with covering it up with decoration, and it just makes me so happy looking at it. Look at all these florals. Oh my lord. Yeah, it makes me super happy. So here we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some boxes, and I want to use these beautiful kind of like dot type of stickers as well. And I want to use the second one as well. I'm not sure where just yet, but we will determine that shortly. Okay, so I'm gonna use undo and take this off from here. I'm gonna be very gentle peeling this up, so here we go. Okay. That worked like magic. Now I just need to wait for the page to dry, as well for the sticker to dry, and hopefully the stickers on the other side will not be affected. So let's go ahead and see where I should add this. And we will go from there. Okay, and of course I am putting my boxes over the prompts, and I thought these like lavender purple ones would go really great with this. And let's see if I can add this. I think this looks kind of awkward because they are identical. If they were different, this would be a different story, but let me try to peel this up and see how it goes. Okay, let's keep going. Let me try to adjust this so it doesn't take up as much of the writing space for me, because I do use this checklist quite a bit. So let me kind of like center this. Okay, I think that looks really good. And now I'm going to take some dots and cut them in half, some bullet points, and add them to my days. Here we go. Okay, now I need to figure out how to cut these dots in half in the best way. I really want to incorporate them into the spread. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this on my book and cut up my book, right? So I do have this mat, and I think that could be a solution. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it, and then this metallic ruler holds it. So I can go ahead and grab my ruler and my little tiny X-Acto knife, and I can cut it in half like so. And I'm gonna have these cut, and then I can use them accordingly. So I want to put a couple throughout the days, as well as some possibly on the other side. Let's see how this will look. Yeah, I like how that looks. I don't have pink ones. I mostly have blues, nudes, and greens. And the greens are kind of like bluish greens, so I didn't want to incorporate those. So I went ahead and used this mauve color, which I think goes pretty well. And it's nude enough to use it in this instance. So I'm just using those really quickly, adding them to my spread for each day. What do you guys think about this technique with cutting these big washi dots and making them into half moons almost, and being able to kind of write things out based on those? Like so. Okay, 2 more on that side, and then I can work on adding some onto the other side of the page. So what I'm gonna do is grab those halves and put them on the back of my hand for an easier access, and I'll be transferring them over onto the page from the back of my hand. Okay, so here we go. And And since these are washi, even if they're a little bit like bubbled, they're so easy to flatten out. And maybe they're not perfectly straight, but I think once I start writing in here, it's going to be okay. And again, I use this dashboard planner for my social media, so it really, I mean, I just write in here. This is like another work planner for my hobby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am practically done. I just need to add one more little half moon, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this spread. Let me know down below what you guys think, and let me pop this back into my planner, and I hope you guys join me for the next plan with me very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great week. Bye!